Hello, today I'm reviewing the Cetaphil Deep Hydration 48-Hour Activation Serum. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, check out my Patreon community, or click on the links below. Okay, so today I have Celia's Beanie Baby, which is I think it's a gazelle. She said she used to be a runner, so it made me kind of think of a gazelle. Is that a gazelle? It's very cute. Anyway, so I had to rescue this thing from Ike, although Ike now knows that he got in trouble once for checking out the Beanie Baby, so now he's scared to come in this room altogether. He thinks he's going to get in trouble. I don't know what else he did, but anyway. Okay, so on to this. So Cetaphil's Deep Hydration 48-Hour Activation Serum is formulated with exclusively hydrosensitive complex, deepens dynamic hydration, soothes skin sensitivity. This serum deeply replenishes skin's hydration for 48 hours to restore skin's appearance and improve quality of sensitive skin over time. It instantly absorbs and is layerable. This lightweight serum can be used alone or layered under face lotion or cream to provide a deep boost to skin's hydration. And I agree with some of that, but I'm going to talk more about that in a moment. Okay, so on to my first criteria. It's just packaging. They've got this package in a nice little pump bottle, which would be very nice if we ever traveled again. Very convenient, small little size, so no issues at all with that. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, this does not contain any of those, so that's always a good thing, especially for dry or sensitive skin. Then we get to fragrance. So this has a floral baby powder scent to it, which I'm not too big on. I just don't like floral scents. They just irritate my nose and my skin a bit. And this scent is pretty strong and it takes a long time to dissipate. Actually, even after like washing my face, the scent is still there a bit. So if you have sensitive skin or are sensitive to scents, this one might be a pass altogether. Cetaphil always calls their brand great for sensitive skin, but a lot of their products just aren't. That's it. They just aren't. And their cleanser, they always tout as very great, and some people love it. I found it to be okay, but anyway, I won't go on that tangent. Okay, the manufacturing location for this one is Canada. No issues with that. Ease of use, so they recommend using this every night and every morning after cleansing. Gently smooth it over face and neck. You can use this alone, or you can use it with other products. It does layer very nicely, which is nice. And it absorbs quickly, which is also great, especially if you have oilier type skin. It absorbs pretty quickly, sets to a matte finish. No issues with pilling at all. Works great under sunscreen. They also have a cream version of this that came out at the same time, which can be layered over it as well. So very easy to use, so no issues at all with that. I really like how quickly it absorbs, and the texture of it's very nice too, so no issues with that. Okay, antioxidants and beneficial ingredients for this one. So we've got niacinamide, pretty high up the list, which is a good antioxidant. It's also very hydrating. It also helps with pore size, skin brightening. It's also a good anti-acne ingredient, so it's nice to see in a product. Then we've got anhydroxylitol, which is a good moisturizer and humectant ingredient. We've got shea oil. Normally you see like shea butter, so this one has shea oil, which is very hydrating. It's a very good source of lipids, vitamin A, and vitamin E, so it's a very good ingredient, especially for dry, sensitive skin. Then we've got blue daisy extract, which is a good skin conditioning ingredient. We've got hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, which is a humectant, a low molecular weight, chemically kind of cut up version of the naturally big molecule of hyaluronic acid. So when you see hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, it has a tendency to absorb a bit better than just the plain old regular hyaluronic acid, which is in so many things. So it's nice to see that version. I just find the typical hyaluronic acid kind of just sits on top of my skin and suffocates it a bit. So when I see the hydrolyzed version, I'm a little bit more excited to see that than just the basic hyaluronic acid. Then we've got panthenol, also known as vitamin B5, good for soothing, good for hydrating, and also good for helping to repair the skin barrier. We've got squalane in here, a naturally good antioxidant, skin hydrating, and skin identical ingredient. And then we've got vitamin E, good antioxidant, good for hydrating, and then xylitol, which is a good humectant. They did a very good job with their ingredient list. They've got a lot of good skin soothing, barrier repairing, hydrating ingredients, and antioxidants. So they did a very good job with that. So that's very nice to see, a lot of nice soothing ingredients. They would have even been more soothing if they wouldn't have included that baby powder scent. Okay, in terms of animal testing, Cetaphil is not cruelty-free. I can't even believe that there's brands in 2020 that aren't cruelty-free yet, but there are still some. I mean, I get it for some things, which, like, sunscreens need a lot of research. I kind of get it, but for a moisture, I don't know. Okay, I'm not even gonna go on that tangent today. Maybe tomorrow. For performance, I found this is really hydrating. I really do like how moisturizing it is. I could really see myself using this, like, now that it's winter and I walk outside for a couple hours a day. Need to find a really good moisturizer that's also slightly occlusive to prevent the wind from really stripping my moisture out of my skin. I could see this one as being a great option, except for that darn fragrance. I can't get over that scent. It's strong. You know, if you don't have an issue with fragrance, I have no problem with that if you don't have sensitive skin. But for me, this scent is just, ugh. If it were like vanilla or aloe or like any other scent, I could almost get over it. Even like sometimes like the herbal scents, but like when it's that floral strong scent, I just can't get over it. I don't know. There's a lady at the gym when I used to be able to go to the gym, and she had like this strong floral perfume, and anytime she got on the treadmill next to me, I'd rudely have to get up and go like 3 treadmills down, or else I'd have a migraine by the end of the day. I don't know how she like immersed herself in that scent, but she did. So it's very hydrating, except for that darn scent. So otherwise, I really like the formula and everything. I like how it works. I like how it layers. Very nice. It does contain a few acneogenic ingredients. We've got cetearyl alcohol, squalane, and then vitamin E. So not a whole ton, but a few. The price, so this is the full size, which is 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. And it retails for about $23. So it's pretty affordable. Not super expensive, and Cetaphil's typically on sale at certain places from time to time. Then in terms of the it factor, I wish I could get over that darn scent, but I can't. The rest of the ingredient list is pretty darn good. The packaging is great. They've got a lot of good ingredients in here. No drying alcohols. But I just couldn't get over that scent. So, on a scale of 10 being perfect, I gave this one a 7. So if you don't have sensitive skin and aren't sensitive to scent, then pick it up. It's a nice option otherwise. So anyway, I can also review their cream that goes with this one too if you want me to. So leave a comment. I have similar concerns about the cream, but it's got some decent ingredients. So anyway, those are my thoughts. I'm interested in hearing from you guys. So leave a comment. I love hearing from you. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much.